In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your navigation history in your Waze web account. If you want to quickly check where you've traveled in the past using Waze on the web, this is a simple process and only takes a moment once you're signed in. This can be useful if you're trying to look back at previous trips, confirm recent routes, or just review your activity history from earlier drives. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is loaded, go to the Waze website and sign in to your main Waze web account profile. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one profile or if multiple people use the same browser. Being signed into the right account is important because your travel history and activity are connected specifically to that profile. After you're signed in and your dashboard is visible, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded. The dashboard is where you'll usually find your account-related tools and activity options. From there, look for the directory link or tab labeled Navigation History or Recent Activity. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the page you're seeing, but it should clearly point to your past navigation or driving-related records. Click that Navigation History or Recent Activity section to open it. This area is designed to show a list of your previous travel entries that were created from past drives. Once the page opens, you'll be able to review the historical trips stored in your account. These entries may help you recognize destinations, travel dates, or common routes you've taken before. As you review the list, move through it carefully so you can identify the trips you're looking for. If you have a long driving history, it may take a few seconds to scan through everything. It can help to focus on approximate dates, familiar locations, or repeated commute patterns if you're trying to find something specific. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Waze navigation history from your web account using Chrome. Just remember that what you see will depend on the account you signed into and the activity that has been saved there. If needed, you can revisit this section anytime to review past travel entries again.